Hello, welcome to Easy English Club.
Hello, we are happy you are here. Let's learn English together.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Club. I'm Mike.
And I'm Lily. How are you today, Mike?
I'm great, thanks. And you?
I'm doing well. Today we have a very important topic.
Yes, today we will talk about training your brain to speak English.
Many people tell us, I understand English, but I can't speak.
That's right. This is a very common problem.
So today, we will give you some tips, simple tips that really work.
Are you ready, Lily?
Yes, let's start. Mike, why is speaking English so difficult for learners?
Well, speaking is different from reading or listening.
How is it different?
When you read, you have time. You can think slowly.
That's true. And when you listen, you don't need to make the words.
Exactly. But when you speak, you must think fast and make the words.
So our brain needs practice, special practice for speaking.
Yes, your brain is like a muscle. You must train it.
I like that idea. A muscle gets stronger when we use it.
And your speaking gets better when you practice.
Okay, so let's talk about the first tip. Mike, what is tip number 1?
Tip number 1 is think in English.
Ah, this is very important.
Yes, many people think in their language, then translate to English.
And that makes speaking very slow.
Exactly. Translating takes too much time.
So how do we think in English?
Start small. Start with simple things.
Can you give us an example?
Sure. When you wake up in the morning, think, I am awake. I am hungry. I need coffee.
Oh, that's easy.
Yes, use simple sentences. Talk to yourself in your mind.
What about during the day?
When you see things, name them in English.
Like, that's a red car. That's a big tree.
Perfect. Just like that.
I do this sometimes. It really helps.
And you can describe your actions too.
What do you mean?
When you do something, say it in your mind. I am making tea. I am opening the door.
That's a great idea. So we practice all day long.
Yes, even 2 or 3 minutes is helpful.
Okay. What is tip number 2?
Tip number 2 is talk to yourself out loud.
Out loud? You mean speak alone?
Yes, this might sound strange, but it works.
I agree. I do this too.
When you are alone, speak English to yourself.
What should people talk about?
Anything. Talk about your day.
Like a diary?
Yes, but speaking, not writing.
Can you show us an example?
Sure. Today I went to the supermarket. I bought some apples and bread. The weather was nice.
That's perfect. Simple and natural.
And you can ask yourself questions too.
Questions?
Yes. What will I do tomorrow? Where do I want to go?
And then you answer yourself.
Exactly. This trains your brain to make sentences quickly.
I think this tip is very powerful.
Me too. And nobody can hear you, so don't be shy.
That's right. You can make mistakes, and it's okay.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Absolutely. Now let's move to tip number 3.
Tip number 3 is use short phrases, not long sentences.
This is important for beginners.
Yes, many learners try to make very long, complicated sentences.
And then they get confused.
Right. It's better to use short, simple phrases.
Short phrases are easier to remember.
And easier to say.
Can you give us some examples?
Of course. Instead of saying, I am going to go to the store because I need to buy some milk and eggs, you can say, I'm going to the store. I need milk and eggs.
Much easier.
Yes, break your ideas into small pieces.
This also sounds more natural.
Exactly. Native speakers use short phrases all the time.
So don't worry about making perfect long sentences.
Right. Clear and simple is better.
Okay, Mike, what is tip number 4?
Tip number 4 is listen and repeat every day.
Oh, yes, this is one of my favorites.
Listening is very important for speaking.
How does listening help speaking?
When you listen, your brain learns the sounds and rhythm of English.
The rhythm?
Yes, English has a special rhythm, a special music.
That's a nice way to say it.
When you listen to English every day, your brain learns this rhythm.
And then speaking becomes easier.
Exactly. Your mouth knows what to do.
So what should people listen to?
Podcasts like this one are great.
Thank you. We try to speak clearly and slowly.
You can also watch easy videos or listen to simple stories.
And here's the important part. Repeat what you hear.
Yes, don't just listen. Say the words too.
Even if you are alone in your room.
Right. Pause the audio and repeat the sentence.
This trains your mouth and your brain together.
Try to copy the pronunciation and the rhythm.
Don't worry if it's not perfect.
Exactly. Just practice. You will get better.
How much should people practice?
Even 10 or 15 minutes a day is good.
Consistency is more important than time.
Yes, a little bit every day is better than a lot once a week.
Great advice. Now, tip number 5.
Tip number 5 is don't be afraid of mistakes.
Oh, this is so important.
Many people don't speak because they are afraid.
Afraid of making mistakes.
Yes, but mistakes are normal. Everyone makes mistakes.
Even native speakers make mistakes.
That's true. Making mistakes is how we learn.
If you don't make mistakes, you don't learn.
Exactly. So when you speak, don't think too much.
Just speak. Just try.
The more you speak, the better you become.
And people will understand you, even with mistakes.
Communication is the goal, not perfection.
That's right. Speaking English is about sharing ideas.
Not about being perfect.
So our listeners should be brave.
Yes, be brave. Practice every day.
And remember, your English is good enough.
You can communicate. You can learn. You can improve.
We believe in you.
Okay, Lily, should we review the 5 tips?
Yes, let's do that. This will help everyone remember.
Tip number 1, think in English.
Tip number 2, talk to yourself out loud.
Tip number 3, use short phrases, not long sentences.
Tip number 4, listen and repeat every day.
And tip number 5, don't be afraid of mistakes.
These 5 tips will help you train your brain to speak English.
Remember, it takes time. Be patient with yourself.
Practice a little every day.
And you will see progress.
Your speaking will become easier and easier.
Well, that's all for today.
Thank you so much for listening to Easy English Club.
We hope this was helpful.
Please practice the tips we talked about today.
And remember to be kind to yourself.
Learning a language is a journey.
Enjoy the journey.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.